In 3 years, I envision myself as a third-year college student majoring in business administration or possibly accounting. Having completed my senior year of high school study in accounting, business, and management, I have a strong interest in business. So, I want to learn more and develop my talents in this field. I make sure to complete my last academic year of senior high school on schedule. I'll submit application to all college that provide the program I want to pursue. In addition to listening and comprehending what my lecture teach when I begin my self-year at the university of my choice. I will also do self-studying to make sure I fully understand each topic. While studying, I can apply for a part-time job to support my financial need. I can also apply for a scholarship and study at State University where tuition is free since the main problem when it comes to studies college is financial support. In 3 years, I will make sure to achieve my goals that I finish junior high school and pass my second year in college. For now, I see myself that I already finished my bachelor degree in accountancy or business administration program. Then, if ever I choose accountancy, I review as soon as possible to take the certified public accountants, ensure examination to be a licensed accountant, and if business administration, maybe I will find a job that suits my skill and interest. I will make sure that I do not fail any course in my chosen program. I will monitor my grades to see if I fail or pass. If I ever take a board exam, I will review and do self-assessment quizzes, and if I ever look for a job, I will practice to answer a possible question for a job interview. I do this by regarding articles online on trusted sites. Also, I can read books since many libraries are accessible now. This goal is important since almost all job now requires a college graduate also, so that when I have a good job, I can stand on my own feet and not to be a burden for my parents. Also to gain experience and knowledge about business since I'm also planning to have my own business. So 5 years from now, I am now an employee in a good company and have completed my study. Dedicate, I hope to have successful business and be problem free. My desire is to always be my family, especially my parents. I want to repay them for all that they have given up for me, as I cannot hold their leave for the duration of their life. Upon ensuring that all matters are solved, I intend to marry my girl and start my own family. To ensure that my business will go well, I will implement a good business strategy and will always monitor my business. I will also listen monitoring my expenses so that my earnings will not be wasted or go to useless thing. I will also do time management so that even though I am busy, I still have time for my family. I sure at the time I have enough knowledge and skill when it comes to business is important to accomplish this goal because my future and possibly the future of my next generation depends on it. After 10 years, I will surely accomplish all my goals and if possible, will be one of the young bachelors.